Increasing Biodiversity at UCI by Jay Patel. Biological diversity, or biodiversity, is the variety of life on Earth. It encompasses all living organisms like animals and plants, and measures the diversity within species, between species, or even whole ecosystems. Biodiversity provides us with a plethora of materials for things like clothing, wood for our homes, and the variety and abundance of produce in our supermarkets. Studies show that preserving biodiversity also promotes the discovery of new vaccines and medicines. At a higher level, biodiversity keeps our ecosystem running efficiently in recycling waste products, providing oxygen and clean water, and much more. Apart from the tangible benefits of increased biodiversity, there is evidence to show that contact with certain aspects of the natural world, such as animals, plants, and landscapes, are directly beneficial to human health. These aspects improve our well-being by reducing stress, improving mood, our unity, and much more. Direct drivers such as habitat loss from pollution, land use, and climate change are the most impactful in decreasing biodiversity. Indirect drivers also cause disturbance like increases in human population and economic activity. Estimates show that between 50 to 20% of species have become extinct due to human action. The two biggest factors include the growing student population and the campus expanding, ruining habitats as land use changes. However, as an educational institution, providing a quality education is the #1 priority, so it is unreasonable for UCI to cut back on these things. So what can we do? The most practical thing we can do at UCI is to promote more biodiversity to counteract the factors that are causing a decline. My proposed solution is for UCI to implement artificial nesting sites, shallow water sites, and utilize vertical structures to grow plants. Experiments by the University of Sheffield found that artificial nesting sites and ponds are effective in increasing biodiversity compared to other methods. Having shallow water sites scattered around UCI, for example under the bridge that connects engineering to the social sciences, would not only look good but would also introduce aquatic biodiversity that the campus lacks. Sensors could be implemented in the ponds that monitor water composition, pH levels, and other things to efficiently host aquatic creatures. This data can be analyzed for projects in marine biology classes at UCI. Artificial nesting sites and feeding stations can be implemented throughout the campus and Aldridge Park that attracts different birds and animals. Using IT, a small computer can release food at certain times when foot traffic is low, or if people enjoy the birds when foot traffic is high. A camera could be attached to these feeding stations to capture the types of birds we see and be showcased on the UCI website. Furthermore, data can be collected again to optimize biodiversity, attract different species for students to view, and use for research. Even if we are in an urban environment, why can't we have more nature on campus? Let's see new animals, make our campus more beautiful, and improve our well-being. Let's increase biodiversity at UCI. Thank you for watching.